So you want to get into real estate investing, and you just heard about something called wholesaling real estate, and it sounds like a dream come true. Well, in today's episode, we're going to talk about the truth about wholesaling real estate to keep you from making any mistakes along your way to becoming a successful real estate investor. My name is Andrew Finney, your real estate geek. If you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to drop me a line and say hello, my contact info is below. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel now and like this video. Thank you. For reference, I upload 6 days a week, so be sure to tap the bell icon and you'll get notified of the next one. Okay, so let's talk about this. I've had a lot of conversations with a lot of different people, some people that were just brand new into like real estate investing and tell me about their wholesale dreams and their desires. It makes a lot of sense why they seem to believe that it's going to just be a dream come true because it's so easy. That's what they all say. It's so easy to get into wholesaling real estate. It costs you no money out of pocket. You can very easily do it as a part-time job and earn buku dollars. Well, I'm here to tell you the honest to God truth is that's just not the case. It's not that simple to do it, and before you go out and wreck yourself in your financial future, I'm glad that you clicked on this video to watch it. But if you were going to get ready to embark on a path of wholesaling real estate, only to realize that it might have been a nightmare. It's not that people don't make good money doing wholesaling real estate. It's about what you have going into the experience of wholesaling real estate and also your real estate investor experience. It takes a lot of knowledge to know how to do wholesaling real estate, right? So let me give you a couple of, for instance, just don't believe that it's going to be easy peasy, right? The first thing that you need to know is you need to be extremely cautious of any kind of advice or anyone that tells you that this is going to be so easy to do. You need to take it into consideration and take it with a grain of salt, because what they're saying to you is that it's easy to make money as a real estate investor. Well, my question to you is simple. If it was so easy to do it, why isn't everybody doing it? Think about that. Honest to God, if it was so easy to do it, why are the people on stage and why are the people on the recordings telling you, oh, just pay $1,000 to us and we'll teach you how to do it? If it was so easy, wouldn't they keep that secret to themselves? Oh, well, they said they wanted to share it because it's so wonderful. Okay, I'm sure they exchanged about $1,000 for that training seminar, right? So those are the people that are really making money at it. So here's the thing. If anybody tells you that it's going to be very easy to wholesale real estate and that you're going to make buku money at it, there's essentially 3 different things that are happening there. Number one, either they're just insanely irrational, or the second one is they're flat out lying to your face, or the third one is that they're going to be making money off of your dreams. So that's where I'm trying to temper this with a little bit of reality as it comes to real estate investing. A lot of money can be made, but it takes time, it takes patience, and it takes perseverance, and it also takes knowing what you're doing. So if that's what you want to do is pursue the wholesaling career, go for it. But it's normally not easy for a newbie into real estate investing. It's far better to go ahead and plan accordingly and maybe do some house hacking with like a future rental property by house hacking it first so that you can go ahead and get started, and then looking at adding other multifamily or single family properties to your real estate investment portfolio over time. Because the second point about wholesaling real estate that I'm going to make today is it's not a passive income. I'm sorry, it's just not. It's just the truth of the situation. It's not a passive income. It's not like a buy and hold strategy on a rental property where you're getting a consistent amount of monthly rent so long as you keep the property rented out and you can predict accurately. It's not going to be that way with wholesaling real estate. So it's not a source of passive income. It's not something to be taken lightly. I'm not going to be the naysayer. I'm not going to shoot down your dreams and say that you can't be successful in wholesaling real estate. What I am going to say is to slow down, make sure you do your research, and make sure that you take a look at all the real estate investment avenues and make sure it's the best one for you, because you're going to put in a lot of hours, a lot of time, and you may not yet have the real estate experience and real estate lingo ready to go. Because if you're going to be wholesaling real estate, who are you selling it to? You're selling it to investors. So those investors are going to quickly know what your education level is and what kind of experience you really have going for you in the wholesaling world. So start off a little bit slower, maybe consider doing some house hacking, or consider getting a rental property, and start getting it slowly going, right? This isn't a race. I know that everybody would like to be wealthy overnight, but the reality is those that actually make it to become wealthy in real estate investing or anything in their careers, it takes time, it takes perseverance, and it takes persistence. Now, I know you can be a successful real estate investor, and I really appreciate you watching this episode. So what I'm going to ask you to do is tell me what you got from this episode in the comment section below, along with any of your experiences wholesaling real estate, whether good or bad, in the comment section below to help our team and community continue to learn and grow together. So I'm going to pop up my contact information if you just simply want to drop me a line to say hello, or if you need help finding a top agent where you live, please let me know. Love to hear from you. If you haven't already done so, I'm going to ask you to do 3 things. Number 1, please subscribe to this channel. Number 2, please like this video. Number 3, please share this video around with someone you know is going to be able to help, because just like you, I'm sure there's someone else thinking about getting into wholesaling real estate that just might not be quite ready just yet. Please share it with them. Thank you. In between now and next time, I'm wishing you and yours a lifetime full of love, wealth, abundance, and happiness. Thank you for watching today, team, and enjoy an amazing day.